Hello, how's everybody doing today? My name is Noah Gift. Kaizen is related to something called the five whys, which is one of my favorite interrogation techniques. So the five whys is essentially a root cause analysis. And in fact, it's really fun if you're bored and you want to do something on a Friday. Is if you want to figure out the root cause of a problem, you ask five questions. So let's go through a timely topic, right? So question one is, for example, why is everyone at work, right? Like, so why is everyone at why is everyone in the office? Why is everyone in the office, right? And you go through and you go, I don't know, why is everyone in the office? Let's figure out here, because we told them. Like, so right, so that's the next thing, is we told them to go to the office. Well, why do they need to be in the office? Like, in the office, what does that do? Well, we want them to do work, right? And oh, well, but can't they do the work? And then maybe the next question is, can't you do the work at home? And then the answer is, you can. Like, if you're a software engineer, you can do it at home, right? And so that this is a kind of a trivial, simple example of it. And then maybe the solution is, oh, actually, maybe they don't need to be in the office, right? So as an interrogation technique, you can use this for many different things in kind of doing a root cause analysis. And so it's very similar to Kaizen, which is that if you're always going through and you're asking, hey, why are we doing this? Why is it, and let's do one more five whys. So if we go in here and we say, for example, I used to work at a game company that it took 1 week to deploy changes to production. And I asked this 1 week to deploy a website change, like literally an HTML change. It took 1 week. And I said, why does it take 1 week? Right. So I go through again and I say, why 1 week? Why 1 week? And they said, well, because the team is only available on Fridays. Oh, okay. Why is the team only available on Fridays? Team, and then basically they're like, well, it's so complicated to deploy that they need to blah 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 blah. So it's complicated. They're like, well, why is it so complicated? Well, because we re-image the whole machine and we do this whole process, etc. And then maybe the next question is why do we do that? Why don't we just do a different way that's easier? And so again, it's kind of this concept of like, not in trying to be necessarily controversial or trying to cause a conflict, but let's get to the root of the problem and let's fix it so that every day we get better. Every day we get better. And so I think it may be related to that other concept as well. But to me, those Kaizen and five whys are very similar in that it's a great feedback loop to make continuous improvement.